Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk am as e be with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Since wey Buhari become president, na so cry na people dey cry. E don increase fuel, e don increase electricity bill. People, Nigerians for abroad dey suffer for other countries. The one wey dey for house there for Nigeria, dem dey suffer. Na be wetin Apostle Alfred come out for today, come talk to Buhari. He dey ask Buhari why Buhari be president. Why? Make I leave you now with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Make you for hear the message we get for Buhari.
My brothers and sisters, good morning. We thank Baba God for this wonderful Thursday of greatness, Thursday of peace, Thursday of progress. Now God go bless all of you now. I say make I still put mouth for waiting the ground this morning, because community where good people for keep quiet, arm robber now him go become chairman, landlady. So the question I want to ask this morning, Grandpa Buhari, why? Grandpa Buhari, why? You know a question I want to ask this morning. Before I begin to ask that question, make we look what in Bible talk for the book of Proverbs chapter 29, verse 2. When the righteous are in authority, the people rejoice. But when the wicked beareth rule, the people mourn. When the wicked man rule, the people mourn. Grandpa Buhari, why? Why you increase fuel again? Why? You don't increase fuel now to 151 naira. Because me, I know say your agenda na to make fuel 200 naira per liter. Grandpa Buhari, why you wicked like this? Under COVID-19, nothing one have you do for Nigeria. The so-called palliative, or na so na release, you already carry the palliative, carry go north, precisely Kano. People for South, people for Southwest, people for Southeast, they don't see the palliative. Una say, una share. Oga Grandpa Buhari, under this COVID-19, you increase VAT, you increase electricity tariff. Now you don't increase fuel 2 times. Oga, warm no dey eat food for your belly. Why be say you don't get human sympathy? Other country they think how they want to make life better for the people, but your own you dey make life difficult for the people. Grandpa Buhari, why? Why? No wonder Bible talk am. If better person dey rule, people go dey see the dividend, people go dey happy, things go dey move well. But since you just enter throne, na so problem. Cry from one level to another. Grandpa Buhari, why? You dey very good to dey send condolence visits, but you no dey sharp to stop the killings of Christians for Southern Kaduna. Grandpa Buhari, why? People dey die every day. You never stand up one day to take responsibility of your action, to say, my people they suffer, my people they die, make I pay attention to them. Grandpa Buhari, nothing you they do. Why you be president? You not be president to make life hard for people. Since you just enter that throne, na so pain, na so cry, people they cry. Grandpa Buhari, why? You don't increase fuel now, you increase VAT. So tell you go load the recharge card, they will remove VAT. Before you will talk hello, money don't finish, especially MTN. Nothing on the feed do. Grandpa Buhari, why? Why would I not think of the masses? No be this country where you dey, where senators they buy jeeps for themselves under COVID-19. Why you not say me they don't buy those jeeps? Say that money go reach you to make life better for Nigeria. Now the money wanna still give senators make they take buy jeeps. So now they collect them back from the masses' hand. When they collect them back from the masses' head by increasing VAT, by increasing tariff, by increasing fuel. Three things we could still make life good for the people. Grandpa Buhari, why? Why when you born waji nebo? Why when you born waji? That's why the book of Proverbs 29 don't talk about. When the righteous people rule, the people rejoice. And all the righteous people which support their throne, all of una they hide, una they talk, say not concern una, politics not concern una, say bona they see what thing they happen. When the wicked man rule, people they cry. When I say a wicked man they throne, people they cry. People they die every day. Wicked man okay. Grandpa Buhari, why? All the righteous people we suppose come authority to change the narrative. When I say no, politics is a dirty game. We don't want to swear our hand, but yet they create problem for una every day. Because of all these bad policy when they implement, our brothers for Bodo Ibo they suffer. They only create get work because they say Nigeria have money. Other country go apply for visa in less than many days. They don't get visa, but Nigeria will apply for visa. They no go see am. For another country, Nigeria they suffer because of bad leaders who will get for this country. Because everything what they do, it affect our people for Bodo Ibo. Our brothers and sisters we do Bodo Ibo, they go office, when they go apply for their document, they no go see document, it go take years. But make other country go to apply for document, to apply for their document before you know they don't get them. Grandpa Buhari, why? Why not they make life difficult for Nigeria like this? Why? We dey here, when they make life difficult. Our people for abroad, they when still make life difficult for them. Why? Because of the bad policy when they implement. When the righteous rule, the people rejoice. Righteous people, we on a day. Now just to sit down for church, now just to talk, say not concern on things need to concern on because things they did bad every day for Nigeria. Go no go, come no come. In less than many months, Buhari don't increase everything. Yesterday, fuel now it don't increase down to 151 naira, even now 152 naira. When other countries they think how they want to make life better for the people, Grandpa Buhari, you they make life difficult for the people. Grandpa Buhari, why? So this one are the change where you promise a next level. You promise change bad. Now next level, when I come carry Nigeria enter next level of pain and hardship. People know they feel buy something from market again. Things hard. People know they feel buy food chop. Things dear. It not get which they feel do for us for this country. Grandpa Buhari, why? All the senators when I go feed they buy motor for themselves. When they buy jeeps, Prado jeeps, bulletproof jeeps, worth millions of naira for themselves. Yet we are not fit think of how now they make life good for the people because now motor life now come. That's what I've talking before. Say that technocrats now we need to manage our resources, not be politicians, because politicians they don't care about the people. Grandpa Buhari, why? Why you wicked like this? You know the years see people they cry. You know the years see people they cry. They kill people every day for Southern Kaduna. You never deploy army to stop them. You not deploy SSS to stop them. You not deploy Navy to stop them. Now you they think of deploying Air Force for those state election. Or Gamona take time, bro. When I not push Nigeria to war, the one that they push us now, people go fight back. Because when hunger beat people, by the time they fight back, all of them for Abuja, una no go stay there. Grandpa Buhari, why? Why not they make life miserable for the people? Grandpa Buhari, why not they make life hard for the people? Why? When I increase VAT, everything MTN now. Once you just load MTN, the nation will remove VAT before you say hello, recharge card. That's why I don't agree recharge MTN again. I don't give MTN recharge card again because once I buy it before I make call, they don't collect all the money. Why not be say we only fit think how not to make life better for the people for this country? Why? We don't fit think how not to make life good for the people. Now just to make things difficult for us. On that COVID-19, when I know say people don't work, when I know say things they tie down, when they increase fuel, when they increase VAT, when they increase tariff, oh God, why not wicked like this? I not to blame you now. Now the lazy youth now blame. I not to blame you now. Now the lazy youth when they still they support you now, when they still they shout up chair, now blame. Now the people wait till they shout, oh APC now blame. Now so I said since APC enter this country, now things turn upside down. Things turn upside down. And so people will see the clap up APC. We go continue to the talk until na year. We go continue to the talk until na year because this oppression it don't reach. This frustration it don't reach. I beg, it don't reach. Nigeria they die every day. Una not care. Una just care about una pocket. Una just care about una salary. Una just care about the motor when I want buy. Una just care about the aeroplane when I want buy. Una just care about hotel when I want build. Una don't care about the plight of the people. That's what the Bible says. When the wicked man rule, body you are wicked. A bad president is a bad man. A wicked president is a bad president. Okay, body you are wicked. You are a bad man. You are a bad man. Here I don't know the Hausa. Not be this country now, the way Yaradua they reduce fuel. Not be this country now, the way Yaradua make life good for the people. You come now, your heart be like stone. They say what they pray. We don't pray tire. Now this type of action. We don't pray. We don't pray. This is time for action. If they pay me for all those lazy youths, we go see the clap on for now. Lazy youths, tell us to get up to fight on our generation for our future. When I see they carry gun, they keep people who want to keep for election. The time when I supposed to sit down to say we don't agree. We need to change the narrative. When I go see the clap on them, when they look for will give 15 naira, give them 1 naira to take back a boat to go keep people. Man, meanwhile the people when they on top, when they make life miserable for una sit down. Then we they talk now, when I go say we be 419, when I go say we be fake. Why? Because una know they think. Bible don't talk on Proverbs 29. Say when the righteous rule, the people rejoice. Where the righteous people now we go read for people to rejoice. Where are the righteous people? All of una quote me, una keep quiet, una no one talk. Righteous people, una don't pray rich. This is the time for action. This is the time when I take join politics. Make una change the narrative. Not be to afford hard to say no concern us. Make una get up. Because all these evil people, they don't want to release power. Like una not provide, una increase tariff. VAT, people don't even bring goods. See, common aluminium roofing sheet, they don't increase them by 100%. Just last week here, yes, on Monday, they don't increase them by 100%. Aluminium to roof house, they don't increase them by 100%. Every donor they increase everything. Why mean you born? So all these are politicians. It don't do for una. All these grassroots politicians, it don't do for una. 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 Under COVID-19, una approved billions of naira to buy gym for ourselves. Una not approved money to say, okay, let us improve on our healthcare. Let us improve on our education system. Let us improve on our transport system. Nothing that they give people money to improve on. Now just to they collect from the people. Now they collect from the people. Grandpa Buhari, why? Grandpa Buhari, since you enter that throne, now so cry, people they cry. People they die every day like chicken. Go Southern Kaduna, they slaughter Christian. You keep quiet and to the send condolence visit. You are very good at sending condolence visit. Oga, send army to stop the killings of Christians in Southern Kaduna. Oga, send army. Now you want send army come and do state or election. You want send Air Force and they bring me the can't do it. We get war for those states. Is there war? If I don't say war, they did now they cause you and Osumole. People when they feel eat better food again. People when they feel feed well. People when supposed go farm, no they feel go farm. Why? Because of nama. Because of nama, they destroy everything people don't plant. They destroy everything. They rape women. They kill women. They feel Buhari, you don't talk anything. You keep quiet. When the wicked man rule, the people suffer. Indeed, you are a wicked man. Indeed, you are a wicked man. I don't fear on a DSSO. I don't fear on a SSSO. I don't fear. Because I am afraid. I don't fear. Dead body no dey fear coffee. But me, I no go die now. I will continue to stand for the truth. We go to tell on her. People go graduate, they no go get job. When I turn our graduate to Agbero, when I turn our graduate to job seeker, people go spend money to pay school, if they go university, they go come and they no go see work. They go 8 years wasted, 4 years wasted, 5 years wasted. Waste. You learn handwork, no enabling environment to carry out the work where you learn. Why? No light, no security. You buy more to make it do cab before you drive on Rigo to Ugbo. The motor don't make noise because bad road. People go invest money to make them invest money for business. Business no go grow. Why? Because no light, no security. People they run come over the country. Not you want a day, not you want they do for the people. Nothing. Now every 4 years we know so that they exist. Once you reach election, now they follow now they promise everyone our heads. Grandpa Buhari, you first promise change. From change, you can't enter next level. Now this next level, now people they suffer. People they suffer, and you still get the match to take talk show and remove Obaseki. Now God go kill all of you now. The only man we see they work for us now. Wait till they think about the poor. Una so want remove her. All of una way they plan evil. Una go see her. Una no go experience this election. Election are just September 9. Una no go experience her. Enough of this oppression. People are crying. People are dying. Because look at it. Come on, Ghana. Come on, Ghana, they maltreat Nigerians. Come on, Ghana. Come on, Ghana, for Bakia there. They maltreat our people. They are slave. If our country good, what do they want to go find for Ghana? If things they work here, why would they want to go find for Ghana? Ghana light in 24 hours. Things they work where? Oh God. Freedom is now or never. It is time for Nigeria to be free. All the lazy youth wanna get up. Though you're giving them 1,000, giving them money to buy Igbo, buy Mokite, finish. Una see that their life finish. 40 years old, you not get handwork. You see they say, oh chair. You see they carry guns. You want to go kill for politicians. You not get sense. Now Susu just they shout up NEPA, NEPA no light, no light. Things don't work well. Our youth supposed to take their destiny for their hand. When I go see the wrong, they say when I want to keep people for election. Now they do ratata. Waratata. Or continue. Waratata. Make una the ratata. Una they continue. So Nigeria, they our hand. The destiny of this nation, they our hand. See Mali, 27 years. I mean, see that small boy. When he removed the president, that small boy from Mali, our own enjoyment. We are good at enjoying. Now to the chop shit, they look for quick money, quick money, quick your destiny to the grave. Someone to get up, to say enough. All these old men, enough. Una they make life better, miserable for us. Una come out, una sit down, una fall down, una look for Yahoo, una look for people who want to scam to collect money for their hand. So una to use that brain, una to scam people to say enough. Bad leadership. We don't want to now to sit down and scam people. They hack people Facebook, they hack people account number, they hack people WhatsApp just to scam them. Just to scam them. We don't get sense. The people where they on top, where they make life miserable for people. When I no go get up to say we no go agree. Now to they hack people Facebook account, they scam people, they collect their money. Poor people which they suffer like you see they collect money for their hand. Lazy youth, thieves. Make una use our wisdom, make una use our head to say enough. All the money where they buy Jeep for themselves, now they collect back from us. So. All the money when they buy Jeep for themselves every 4 years. Now they want collect back. So they say fire bomb money when they donate for COVID-19. Una keep quiet. They say fire enter CBN. Una keep quiet. Snake swallow money for German fish. Una keep quiet. Waiting. They say monkey swallow money. Una keep quiet. Lazy youth. Una get up. Don't be me calling a lazy youth. Now president calling a lazy youth. You know why president calling a lazy youth? Because we don't want ready to take on a destiny for our hand. So anybody we can't talk to, now we say namumu. I will say namumu. We say namumu. Anybody will go say, who could I stand? Now we say na 419. When I go cost me now tire. When I go cost me now tire. Hello, yeah, God bless you, sir. Good morning, sir.
My brother,
Domo, sir. It is live program now, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm calling from Germany. The problem in my most of us, one still but a problem in ma to be my baby, no boy government. Because my baby no ma my have to be the man and Malele. My God is my plan for the future.
Yes, sir.
We are not barbecue or he and the Davila. I talk with the Obasaki now. You know, go on, I have the one and did but only even my
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So thank you for the good job you are doing. But I just pray that how we are seeing him with him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because in by prayer man or railway boon always jaw at the
yes, sir.
My ordinary man boon railway boon are supported because my way a open Lahana in Nohani, Nohanima, Abdul no, you may working him they go backward. No, but all him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's your daddy?
No.
Yes, sir. What's your sir?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now, Buhari I call on a lazy youth. You know why I call on a lazy youth? He called a lazy youth because he said, "We are not fight for our destiny. So we are not rise up for our destiny." Small boy, now dethrone the president for Mali. Small boy, army general, small boy. While we're all here now to they do Yahoo, they go. They enter house, they cheap, they go. They chop shit. You now want to chop money. Now they say, masses wanna get up. We plenty past them. We plenty past all these evil people. We plenty past them. But now keep quiet. Fuel, small fuel, we come money. We get fuel for this country. We get everything for this country. But yet, we go see the suffer for what we get. There's some people say me I not talk me they pray. Una see they pray too. Una hear. Una see they pray. Una they forbid to pray. Una they forbid. Una go say apostle don't say anything. Don't talk about politics. Be pray for them. You they forbid to pray. Since when you don't they pray, what it change? That's why God they laugh all of us. Why pray for what you can change with your hands. Why pray? Why you dey pray for what you fit change with your hand? Why? That's why God dey look us. That's why God dey look us. So Mona get up. We are the righteous people. Mona get up. Things are not getting funny at all. Things are not getting funny. Things they go worse every day. Things they go worse every day. When we talk, they'll say, go and mind your business. They'll say, maybe the problem we get for this country. The problem of this country is the masses. Because the masses no one get up to take their destiny for their hand. They don't want to get up to take their destiny. Everybody like enjoyment. No, everybody want to die. Everybody like enjoyment. But we know we'll die. We know that now make we stand once and for all. May they not say the people in this country when they hate their injustice. Bible don't talk in Proverbs 29 verse 2. When the righteous rule, the people rejoice. Since when Grandpa Buhari enter, people don't they cry because a bad president is a bad man. Man, we know they think about the wealth of the people, that bad man. Man, we know they think, say, my people, they die. He don't take care for himself. Now, bad man, a bad president is a bad man. A bad governor is a bad man. A bad senator is a bad man. A bad House of Rep member is a bad man. A bad council is a bad man. A bad chairman is a bad man. Wicked people. You now see they clap for them. Oh, up, check, up, check, up. Now see they clap for them. Check all the people where they use now. Now the so-called lazy youths. Not be me call and lazy youth. Now Grandpa Buhari call and lazy youths. Because una want eat in the future now. Una compress una destiny. Una want chop them now. How many of una don't protest? We no go agree. Oh. We no go agree. One are going to increase VAT. One are going to increase fuel. One are going to increase tariff. We no go. Una sit down. Una fold down. Or my can. Una fold down because everybody gave way for the chief money to survive themselves. For how long? For how long? Our destiny dey our hand. Our destiny is dey our hand. Make una get up. And the reason why things they hard, we know they speak in one voice. Everybody talk different tone. See not now. They know they advocate for that for their own NBA chamber. Mona say I'm now. They don't they advocate for their own NBA. Nigeria Bar Association. Not. And they go get them. South, Southwest, South. We all now. We all now day. See now, Northern and they don't advocate for their Nigeria Bar Association, and they go get them. They go get them. Therefore, we will fold down. We go fold down. We go say our own. We don't go support our own. We want kill our own. We want kill our own because of wickedness, hatred we will give for ourselves. Because of hatred we will give for ourselves. Freedom is now or never. Freedom is now or never. Which way Nigeria? Which way to go? Because as they affect us here, now so you see they affect our brothers and sisters for Bodo Ibo. Now the truth be this. As they affect us, we were there. Now so you see it still they affect our brothers and sisters for Bodo Ibo. Work, you know, quick get. They say it's in Nigeria. You want marry, it's in Nigeria. If you apply for visa, it's in Nigeria. Why? Because they say your country have money. They drive our people. Our people, people are not just our people, they enjoy for abroad. They know they enjoy. They go through pain. It's just that they don't want to come back to Nigeria again. That's the truth. If we will let them come back, they will come back. Because of the humiliation that they face every day for abroad. We dare our own here, we dare our land here, we don't save. We go abroad, we don't save. Waiting. All these our leaders, we are not get human sympathy. That's what the Bible talk about. When the wicked man rule, the people mourn. I will not be mourning. People will be crying. Every day, people they cry. Every day, people they cry. For Santa Canona, people they cry. Everywhere you enter for the country, now cry, people they cry because hardship. But yet, not to approve money for themselves to take buy jeeps. I've heard talk and say fire not burning money. Now that money not they buy jeep for themselves. I've heard talk and say snake no swallow money for jam office. Now that money not they take care for themselves. While the masses are suffering. No improvement on our healthcare system. It did bad. See, they connect all the states with railway system. Now we see they celebrate locomotive. When they celebrate locomotive, what a shame. Nothing will the fee produce for this country. Nothing. Common phone, Malaga phone. Nothing. We know they common barrel, common but we know they produce. Nothing will they produce. Nothing. Nothing. We go they talk until now here. Show rest time, revelation now. When I miss it, I preach waiting the guy talk. All of us, now the youth, now the sister now. Don't mind him. Show what they are eating money. Don't mind him. We don't agree support people they fight on our behalf. That's why people don't agree fight again. Each time anybody rise to fight for the masses stand they fight the person. Each time anybody rise up to say, oh, Shobe, let me fight for the masses. Now the masses go first fight the person. Now the masses go first stone her. But yet, we are not go rise to stone the people where they make life hard for una. We are not go rise up to stone the people. They don't go know in a community. In a community, they don't know. Once it reach election time, they go know them. Imagine Oshomole for your area, no road. You see, they talk to Obasa cannot do road for your own area. Oshomole, a wicked man. Oakmila, for Oshomole house, you not do road for 8 years. Now they blame Obaseki, saying, oh God, you people are wicked. People are wicked. That's the problem we get for this country. So I say, make I see put man for this matter this morning because I'm waiting God just send me this season. Now waiting God just send me this season. Now you they do so. And I no go give up until change come. I no go give up until change come. Bible say you who call upon the name of the Lord, give him no rest until he establish praise in Israel. I no go rest until change come. Make una rise. By now, as soon as yet they increase where everybody should put on that street to say enough. Everybody just if you fall down, everybody you quack me. That charm where they use and go expire. That charm where they use till they make sure say Nigeria don't they talk. That charm it go expire. So I mean Nigerians may they get up. May they get up. People are so things are not getting better. Don't tell me things will change. Things are not changing. Things are getting worse. So go say go better. It not go better. Things are getting worse. Maybe we talk about CB. Things are getting worse every day. Gatawe no here. Some go say one day go better. It not go better one day. Things are getting worse. Things are getting worse. Things are getting worse every day. Why? Because people will keep quiet. The righteous people that say, it not concern us. For not, it concern all of them. Small people they train how to take over leadership. Our own, that they kill ourselves, they fight ourselves. They kill ourselves. I've been at the Benin people, now the Benin people even worst. That they cause they fight themselves on social media. Now our own even worst. I never see where Northern and they fight themselves on social media. They must stand to defend the truth. Our own, This is why we call this thing social media and they cause themselves. So, now so it be. Now waiting God to do this season. Now they do so. And now they look anybody's face. When they look anybody's face. Time don't reach. Make we take our destiny for our hand. Our destiny in our hand. Bible says in the book of Matthew 11:12. Right from the days of John the Baptist until now, the kingdom of heaven suffered violence, and the violent taketh it by force. This one is a time for us to take our destiny by force. Not be by begging, by force. Now the time be this. Make una just dey help me dey share this broadcast. Make it a year. Make una the only thing una just do for me. Now make una just dey share this broadcast they go. Una just dey share am for all the platform. Una just dey share am. That's the only thing una just do for me. Una just dey share am they go. Make people hear am. Una just dey share am. Why guy here? Una share am for all the platform. That's the only thing una just do for me. Make una just dey share am. Finish. Make people still sit down think. Youth, make una dey kill people wey dey fight for una. Una no dey speak against the people wey dey fight for una. Make una join hands together with the people wey dey fight for una. Una wake up, rise up, una join hands. They destroy Nigerian embassy for Ghana. Which our president do? Nothing. Which our leaders do? Nothing. Because say they kill ourselves for year, we not talk. So that's why they maltreat us for outside the way they like. Or woman, or my value onojo, or manoroe every value. When a leader did not value the people, outsider will never value the people. That's exactly what we are going through in this country. Things are not getting better. Talk must be. Things are getting worse by the day. Things are getting worse by the day. Palliative. So Buhari, the palliative wey dey share now to increase fuel. That's the palliative. Buhari, the palliative wey you share for COVID-19 now to increase VAT. Thank you, sir. Buhari, the palliative wey you share now to increase tariff, electricity tariff. Thank you, sir. You do well. Now man you be. Thank you, sir. God will bless you well. You do well. And we see the palliative where you share. Very wonderful palliative. Very wonderful. They will go to borrow money to buy for. You do well. You do well. And all the people they clap hand for you will say una do well. All the people they support evil for this country, una well done. Una continue. No while una continue. Una do well. We really appreciate una well done. We thank una well done. So my people, time to rise. Rise. Nigeria be like man when he marry, he dey wait, make it conceive when he not sleep with him. You must play your part. You must play your part. Enough of this kickback. Enough of running. He who run from fight today will live to fight tomorrow. He who run from fight today will live to fight it tomorrow. Because that fight will wait for you. That fight will wait for you. June 12, now primary school children at the race protest. Yes. When the people in shout Abacha must go, Babangida must go, where una? Where are they? Which way Nigeria? Which way Nigeria? Which way to go? I love my fatherland. I want to know which way Nigeria. Now the question when they ask, which way? When I keep quiet. Nigerian youth, wake up. Make una know they hack people Facebook account again. Make una know they hack people WhatsApp again. Make una know they collect money again. Make una wake up. Make una wake up. Make una fight for our destiny now. Make una wake up. Because now see they clap. Now see they clap hand. Now they clap hand for them. No, see the clap hand for them. No improve in our healthcare system, no improvement. Education system, no improvement. Transport system, no improvement. In fact, Nigeria cannot boast of a transport system run by government. You know, they no good. We don't feel boast of good healthcare system for Nigeria. We don't feel boast for good transport system for Nigeria. We don't feel boast for good educational system for Nigeria. We don't feel boast for good laboratory. Nothing. 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 So before now, we talk say, "Oh, Nigeria will go better." A lie. Things are not getting better. Things are getting worse. Man, all those fake faith. No. Enough of those fake faith. Oh, things are getting better. A lie. So I say one day go better. It no go better one day. Not until righteous people get up. Not until righteous people get up. If righteous people don't get up, all these evil people, they'll continue to make us. They'll continue to make us. Every day. Every day. Then Buhari go sign law of whether na Kama be na Kuma, whatever, to take over church, to take trustee, to say now, when I begin to look into finances, you guys are stupid. When I don't finance any church, when I don't help any church. Which church when I don't help? When they use Nigeria, they compare America. America, they help their citizens. Even Western world, they give church money to take help people. Which church una don't help for this country? Who una don't help for this country? Una they pass law. That law no see the light of the day. Even if I dey support una before because of our fathers, but now we go fight una. Investment we know, company we not put money now you want to take over. You know work. So all of una wanna get all our youth wanna get up. Motor go spoil, we go repair. For another country, once motor spoil, if you like, you change am. They give you now, they pay small. Nothing like mortgage, nothing like insurance policy for this country. Nothing like insurance policy. Everything are politics. No insurance policy. Motor wey they don't keep the way for America, can and come Nigeria, we see they run the buy am. We dey struggle. It go spoil, we go repair. If things they work, we don't go repair. We have to put them in one corner, go back to the company to say, I beg, give me another one. Or they pay small. Even if you want to, how you want to pay small, no work, salary not they come. Even when salary they come, then they increase VAT, you pay. They increase tariff, you pay. They increase where you pay. How you want to take care of your family? How you want to take care of your family? You go buy fuel for generator. You go buy for motor. You go buy, oh God. Nothing nothing give up, nothing. Nothing give up for this country. To say, see waiting the masses they benefit. Nothing. Water, we not get the supply. Food bank, we not get food bank. Drugs bank, we not get. Water bank, we not get. Nothing we get for this country. Nothing. Now to they fight good people. Now so people will get up, Apostle, go to church, go and face politics, go and face church. You they forbid. Me go face church. You they forbid to face church. The Bible said that God call everybody. The Bible said go ye to the world. Everybody. You they forbid to stay inside church. Me used to go. You they forbid. Oh, leave politics alone. We don't leave them. Until change come, we will not keep quiet. We will continue to fight. So, my people, that's why I want to talk and reach this morning. That's how I talk and reach this morning. Make we take our destiny for our hand. All those youth where they hack people Facebook account, wanna stop them. Wanna use on brain think. Those lazy youth where they hack people WhatsApp, they swindle the people, they scam the people, make una use on head. Quick money lead to quick grave. Quick money quicken you to your death, to your grave. They bring one until they hack people account. One are not going to go hack federal government account. If we are saying smart, we not stop them. They could not stop them. Why be shown that they very good for fraud? When they come to fraud, the Nigerian youth are very smart when it comes to fraud. When I know go this smart to the protest. When I know go rise to protest against bad people. Now to the fraud, they defraud the people. An average Nigerian is a fraudster. Fraudster. When I know first, so we'll talk about as a be. An average Nigerian youth is a fraudster. Now the truth be that. Now just the truth. Now the truth. If that will take fight, we no great fight. You know, great fight. We'll fall down. See light, they miserable. Things are getting worse by the day. Come on, PS powder. PS powder on the market again. PS powder. The company don't fold up. Come on, PS powder. You know the market again. Company don't fold up. Then Buhari they increase tariff. Buhari they increase fuel to 150, 52 naira. Now who do us this thing? Now who do us? Now who do us? I don't want to talk again this morning. When I do, I just drop this message. When I not crucify me, I just say I talk come as a be. So all my fellow youth when they call me 419, I better continue. Because me I will continue to stand for the truth. You call me Mumu for saying the truth. Thank you. Continue. I will continue to stand for the truth. Now, only Nigeria, they fight those when they fight for them in this country. That's why all over the world, Nigeria don't get value for Igbo eye because they say we get all the money. Once our leader just elect them, the next thing is to go buy the best house to abroad. You know how many houses Oshomole get to abroad? We take do governor for 8 years. You know how many houses he get? Those youth not supposed to get up to the ask them. We for see money to buy those houses. No talk. Now they clap because they collect on a small share. And they collect small in good jet. They collect small in good jet. Small in good jet. By now, all those corrupt people not supposed to work out for street. If you be governor, as you come out, you acquire houses everywhere. They will supposed to put tire for your neck, burn you. Because you don't achieve the people wealth, they enrich your own. If now Nigeria wait things for the work, people like Oshomole and the rest of people don't day jail by now. Do you day there? Yes, I'm telling you the truth. Do you day jail for how they take misappropriate our fund? Yes. Yes. How you will be governor for 8 years? You build house of 10 billion naira for your house. How much be your salary? You get airline, you get hotel, you get filling station everywhere. How much be your salary? How much? How much? How much? How much? How much? For a developed country, as they come down, if they evaluate what you get and what you get before you come power and what you can't get after you come for power, if they don't commensurate with your salary, they go seize your property. Go seize them. But we go clap for them. Go clap for them. My people, now so it will be this morning. Some of them when they fight for say I'm gonna go see their children, they enjoy themselves. Some of them when they clap hand for someone like go see Oshomole children, they enjoy it. They drive the best car. They did the best house now for London, they enjoy themselves. Because they watching her for telling, oh look at those people, they are fighting for my daddy. Lazy youth, not get sense. Because they share 1,000, 50 naira. They buy more kite give una. They buy shield what before una. They buy squadron, now they drink. They drink and kind. Wanna get up and say no to this injustice. The only people that can solve the problem of this country is the youth. In fact, the reason why our leader not give youth power because even the youth now will corrupt past the leaders. Yes, so the crumbs of the youth now will corrupt past Buhari. They will wicked past Buhari. Person will go hack your Facebook account. Now, no be devil. Person will go hack your WhatsApp number. No be devil. Now, witch. Now bad person. Person will go, they defraud you, they collect, they change your ATM number to collect money. Now, devil, when I will worst part the politician. When I will worst part the politician, now worst. When I worst, when I change, make things better for us for this country. Make una channel una energy, una take the thief. The energy, una take the hack people account. The energy, una take the hack people Facebook, WhatsApp number. They defraud the people. They do 419. Make una channel the energy to fight evil leaders. Una channel una energy to go fight them. Not be to they fight the common people for street. My people, now so I'll talk and read this morning. We'll see later in the day. My name is still remain Apostle Alfred, do you know, sir? So we must channel our energy now to fight these evil people. They say the youth are the leaders of tomorrow. Now lie. The youth are not the leader of tomorrow. The youth are supposed to participate. If the youth are not participating in what is happening now, how can they become leaders of tomorrow? Now just to sit down, they smoke Igbo, they smoke Morocco. Wanna get up, wanna stop those lives. They wanna fight for our destiny. Wanna get up. Fight for our destiny now. That's why Nigeria suffer. See, how a whole Ghana will they punish Nigeria. Our leader for that. Buhari, why? Grandpa Buhari, why? Get up and do the right thing. A wicked man. A leader, when he fall down and they see people, they cry, not do anything. Now, evil leader. Leader when they make life miserable for people. Now wicked leader. Wicked leader. Nobody say country Yaradua they where Yaradua reduce for it. Yaradua make life good for the people. But Buhari, you are a wicked man. Wicked man. But when I like when I send on DSS, you know work. When I like when they send DSS, go and look for apostle. You know work because God knows in the truth that they talk. A wicked man. Proverbs 29 verse 2, don't give them the answer. When I do well, we'll see later in the day, God bless all of you now. When I get the help of the share them, the little when I get the share them, people they hear them, make our youth see that, make they think. When I do well, God bless you now.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. If you get any other thing to add, join with the Apostle talk today. Go to comment section, make you put up for there, and make you also help us share this video to friends and family. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.